In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple mobile app using bubble.io. Now, before I get into this video, I want to say, please make sure you watch this video the whole way through and pay close attention the whole time to ensure that you get all the steps correct and you don't miss anything out. Everything that I teach you here is going to be completely crucial, and if you do miss it out, then you might not make this work. So, the first thing I want to do is go to the website, bubble.io. And what we're going to do here is we're going to get started for free with a free account. So we're going to click here. Now, when you sign up, you have two options. You can create one from from Google, or you can create one from just a new email. I'm going to do Google because it makes it a lot easier for me. So now that I've signed up with my email, it's going to ask us some questions here. So we're going to it says get started. What is your goal today? Now, as we're going to be building an app, we want to put build, but there's other options you can do for other things. So I'm going to click build. So it says, how comfortable are you learning new technology? This will customize the Bubble experience with the right level of support based on your technical skill level. So if you find it hard and you're not very good at computers, you can put this one. If you're not technical but you know how to work it, you can put this one. If you're easy to adapt, you can do this one. And if you know a lot about technical stuff, you can do this one. I'm going to put this one for myself. So next we want to select the stage we are at with our idea. And this will help you get the right tools. So, do you need inspiration? Do you need to plan? Do you need to execute? Or do you need to rebuild? For me, I'm going to go for inspiration, but you need to pick which one you want to go for. Lastly, it's going to ask where you found out about Bubble. Just select where you found it. I'm just going to put search engines. Cool. So now we have to put the name of our first app. So I'm going to type in EasyL app. But you'd want to change this obviously to be your own app. So I'm going to click get started. Now they're going to ask you if you would like premium features. You can do this if you'd like to. It's free 14 days and it's $32 a month. For me, I'm just going to say no down here and I'll start with basic features, which is completely free. And it's going to open up the new page. Okay, so the first thing it's going to ask is your favicon. So this is the little image that we'll see in the browser when someone's using your app. So you want to change this to maybe a little logo that you have. So I'm going to change mine now. After that, it's going to ask you what you want the application to be called. So I'm going to say EasyL app, and then you can hit next. So the first thing it's going to ask you is your default font. Now, pick whichever one you want. I'm going to go for Montserrat if they have it, because it's a very good font. This one here. It's a very nice clean font. So now we can go to the next step. It's going to ask us for our default colors. Now, one place I'd recommend getting colors from is a color picker site. So colors, this one here. And it's going to basically give you a color palette. Now there's a lot of options you can do from here. So you can make a palette based on the most popular ones, or you can generate your own. I'm just going to press OK. And I'm going to explore some trending palettes to see which one people like right now. This is pretty good to find the things that are trending. So I'd say, what kind of app are we going to go for? I quite like this. I'm going to open this palette. And I'm going to use this palette here for my colors. So this is going to be my background, let's say. Let me close these. So the primary button I'm going to put as this one here. And I'm going to paste that code in here like that. Nice. The primary contrast is white. So we're going to put for secondary color, I'm going to put this one. The text, I'm going to say I want my text to be this color here. And the surface, I'm going to say I want it to be this dark color here. So I'm going to kind of go for like a, actually let's put these ones as this one here. And the background we'll put as this dark one here. And then destructive, yep, success, yep, and that, yes. So we've basically got like a base color scheme now. How do I change this text? I might make the text a little bit darker. Maybe this one. Maybe I should make it this light one again. Maybe I'll make this darker. So for the surface, okay, yeah, that looks a lot nicer. Cool, so we made our color scheme now. I'm gonna press next. So it's gonna ask you what plugins you want to integrate. So you may want to have some of these. I'm just gonna put start building, but you can add those in. So now we have our builder here, and the first thing I'm gonna start off with is these default components. Now these are useful because they can just help you build things quickly. So let's say we want a header that looks like this. We can just click and drag this into our page. So boom, we've got a header now. We can customize this if we want over here on this section here. So if we want to add the background style, we can, you know, have a gradient, we can have flat style, we can have a normal, we can change the layout, we can change conditions, we can add some borders on it. So if we want some dash borders, and we can change the color to white. We can really customize that. We can make the borders round. We can just fiddle around with this. Add some shadows. There's a lot of different. These are basically the appearance settings. They've got layout settings here, which you can edit, and then you've got some conditional stuff here. Now, the next thing you'd want to do is we want to put some other elements here. So let's say we're making a sign up page. We can just click and drag this, and we can put this. Oops. Oh, this is a sign up box. So this is basically when someone goes on the website, it's going to give them this box. So we can fiddle around with this, and we can customize this to our liking, type of contents. Yeah, so this basically means people sign up for an account with this box here. We can change all the colors on that. So I'm just going to delete that for now and show you some more features that we can do. So we can do like this here, which would be good. We can put it under here like this, and then we can change the text here. So we can say make more time, or whatever your offer is, whatever you're trying to do. So make more time, whatever you're trying to do. We can put that there. Now there's a lot of customizations we can do. Obviously we can put an image in there. We can change the sign up button. We can use all of these different workflows in here, databases, styles, plugins, settings, all of that kind of stuff we can use to make our site and our app completely customizable. Basically, you're just going to have to fiddle around with this until you get something that you like. And that is basically how you do it. You can then export it and preview it, and it's going to, let's have a look now. We're going to be able to see, okay, this is what we've built. Cool, nice. So you can customize it to your liking. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below there. It helped. Thank you for watching.